Hit that. Hit that.
You got a bunch of them now.
I know. There's like 2 dozen of them, but they won't bite. Here he comes. Oh, oh, son of a gun.
You got your minnow.
I don't think so. Oh, kidding me. Now they're all gone. That's not even fair. Get in.
No, he's not that big. He's a thumper though. Yeah.
Need help? You got it?
Ooh, ooh.
Want help?
You see him under the ice there?
Mm-mm. Oh, yeah.
Move my transducer. Oh. Come on. Second one.
Oh, you're almost there. You just hooked right in the lip. Go, 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 go. Oh, his head's there. Pull. Got him.
Wow.
Look at that. Ooh, doggy. Donkey Kong. Live target style.